Happy birthday, Zamboanga Sibugay!
So with much excitement, we kick off today the festivities in celebration of our 23rd ARAW ng Sibugay. Celebrate is indeed what we do today, triumphantly and for good reason. For we have come a long way since we as a people charted our own destiny as a separate province known as Zamboanga Sibugay 23 years ago. It was my visionary father, then Congressman of the 3rd District of Zamboanga del Sur, George T. Hofer, who filed House Bill number 1311, creating the province carved out of territories from the 3rd District of Zamboanga del Sur, as the torch of leadership has been passed on to me. I have remained steadfast and faithful to my father's vision of progress and prosperity for Sibugay. Thus, as we celebrate our milestone, let us honor him, the man who left us this legacy. Without further ado, let me formally open the 23rd ARAW ng Zamboanga Sibugay. And as I always say, ang kalambuan ragyod sa Zamboanga Sibugay, ang akong tumong ug damgo kanunay. Dining puntuha kitang tanan, nagkahiusa, labo pa Sibugay. Daghag salamat. February 26 to close the araw ng Sibugay kay pinangga tamong tanan. Ako ding personal gift, isip, pasalamat sa inyong hingpit na suporta kanako. Ang grand finale, Ben and Ben!